Today I'm going to discuss how to change the length of a rope. Quite often you need some possibility to change the length of a rope. For instance, I use this very short rope, very thin as well, as an extra security for my dinghy, so it doesn't flay around a lot. And you need to adjust the length. So in this case I've made a splice, which is one way of doing it. It's a very permanent way of doing it, but sometimes it could be considered a bit complicated to do it. And it's not so easy to change the length of this splice. It works, right? But it's really strong locking in this, but it kind of works. And maybe I will show how to make such a splice in another video. But for now, I just wanted to share an option that I think is way easier and quite useful to know. It's a knot, and it's a very basic knot, and it's surprisingly strong. So I'll use this ring as an example. Just go through 2 turns up the loop and continue 1 loop below the loop, and of course you need to ease it properly. And here we go, hopefully. So it locks in both ends, and it's very easy to slide. So now I can adjust the length easily, and you would think it could slide, but it doesn't slide at all. It's super strong. So really a good recommendation, this one. I'll do it once more to show how simple it is to make this. So you have your loop here. You take 2 turns up the loop and continue 1 turn down the loop, and then just tighten it. And there you go. It locks both ways, and it's adjustable. Really simple. Recommended.